memfokuskan, lebih menyempitkan permasalahan EAFM ini ke kasus di Kepulauan Pasifik, Pacific Island. Itu mungkin akan dijadikan kasus lah, dijadikan contoh. Ini juga sebenarnya memang terakhir ini datanya ini terlambat, ini sudah diterjemahkan juga. Apakah masuk apa tidak ini saya tidak terlalu jelas, jangan-jangan tidak sempat ke print ini. Mudah-mudahan ada nomor 6 ya, mestinya masuk yang tolong saya, jadi yang ada gambar-gambar tadi mudah-mudahan ada ya masuknya. Ada belum ada. Already translated. Okay.
But it's changed dramatically. This is more of an outline of kind of the key roles of science to inform EAFM. And a lot of it is assessing, so establishing baselines is also making assessments of what the status of the ecosystem is. And as we talked about yesterday, the ecosystem is both the natural system and the human dimension, the social system. Jana will be separately talking about kind of the science and the social system, social science parts of this. So only portions of that will be in this discussion, but it should be understood that that's part of the science of an ecosystem, is also the human dimension. And we need to, in order to best manage, ideally, the better we understand how the system works, the better we can manage that. A lot of what managers need is to know how things are changing over time, and then how come they're changing over time. So that could be fish abundance, that could be coral status, habitat status, environmental conditions. The people are changing over time, so but getting actual measurements of how these things are changing over time, and then taking this information and translating that in ways that managers and policymakers and the public can understand it. If the science is only being done among scientists and it's not being effectively communicated to inform the management process, it's not working. It may be very good science, but it's not helping EAFM unless we can make that translation step. And again, part of that is getting the community involved. Again, with EAFM, it's very much a participatory process, so you need to be informing the communities as well. It's their resources.
Saya pahami ya. Peran ilmu pengetahuan EAFM ini.
So there's large amounts of information. I'll be presenting bits and pieces of information today, but again, it's about the fishery, about the ecosystems, about the various resources of the ecosystems, and about the people. And these then inform the fishery management process and the ecosystem approach to fisheries management.